Request bro, how to make money online. Hello guys, in this video, I want to tell you how to make money online only listening music. Step 1. Download this app, link on description. Step 2. Please sign up first. We can use Google or Facebook account. Step 3. Go to rewards menu to complete some tasks like playing games, invite friends or others to get coins for real money. Step 4. To get coins by watching or listening music, go to video menu. When we watch or listening music, we will get much coins for withdraw with real money. Step 5. When we have much coin, click coins logo. And here we can withdraw our coins with real money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.